empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind.
Warm welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm starting this video with the fridge, guys. This is the current look of my fridge. It's so dirty, guys. So if this is your first time here, my good name is Vivian. I'm a Kenyan YouTuber, a wife, and a mother of 3. So much welcome and kindly consider subscribing. And for the subscribers, thank you so much for the support. And kindly watch this video until the end. So I'm going to start with the fridge, and I'm also going to do much more, guys. So stay tuned and yeah, watch this video until the end, guys.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're going.
After removing the compartments, I'm now going to give them a thorough cleaning, and I'm using a dishwasher liquid soap and running water.
We go to, and if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Feel uninvited. LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me.
I'm using a mixture of water and vinegar to clean my fridge, guys.
This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I can't help myself, you're a drug to me. I just can't get enough. I know this is love, so come close to me while we're still young. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
After the first wash, the fridge was not yet clean, so I decided to go for the second round just to make sure that it's clean.
Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me, touch me.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
Everything is now clean and I've wiped the compartments of camera, so I'm now just returning them, and that's all about my fridge, guys.
Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights, cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on.
The next item that I'm going to deep clean is this one. Yeah, my microwave. My microwave is so dirty, so I'm just going to give it a thorough cleaning, so stay tuned for that.
It's all that I needed. I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
I'm using Mr. Sheen oven and microwave cleaner to soak my microwave.
To move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. How the years go by, searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. A little less 25. A little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. a little less 25.
This is after soaking it for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's how dirty it is, guys. It was so dirty. I'm even feeling like I'm embarrassing myself, but it is what it is, guys. So let's just do the cleaning.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the words out of my mind about who I'm supposed to be. I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon.
These are the dirty shoes in my house, and yeah, there are so many, guys. There are so many. So there's some of them that I'm just going to wipe, and some I'm going to wash, so stay tuned for that.
Closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes don't last it long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
That's all for the shoes. They are so clean, and I'm so happy. So let's just go and shower, then we get ready to go to school. Yeah, my second born is graduating today, so I have to be there for her. So let's get ready.
Above the sky, we are heroes tonight. Yeah, we are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes. need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
That's the outfit of the day, and I'm looking so pretty, guys. Yeah, just rate my outfit and let's go.
Tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
I was a bit late, and this is the modeling part, so let's just feed our eyes and enjoy, guys. This was the main part, yeah, the graduation part, so let's just sit back and enjoy.
Mama ako wapi? Nifanye?
I got it. Take a beat.
Video.
Where is Emmanuel? Put it there and then don't come near. Stand where you are. Stand where you are. Piga picha. Piga picha harakisha. Kimbia. Adasa. What do you properly? Stand where you are. Don't put it up. Put it on your chest. On your chest. On your chest.
Turudi nyuma ndio picha ipate mahali. Nani anaona nyuma?
Sasa mumegraduate, mumefurahia? Mumefurahia? Pigeni shangwe.
Angalia huku acha kuangalia hapo.
Nenda pahali mzazi wako hapo umpatie you give him or her that certificate. Take it to your parents.
That's how everything went, and I really enjoyed every part of this graduation. And right now we are at home, guys. It's at night. We want to prepare dinner. So yeah, that's all. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next one.
Nyanya. Anakula, anatoka mate. Nifungie hiyo dirisha, hiyo nini? Umejifinya? Look at this. My product. Mwingine anajimwagilia soda. Soda ni tamu. Soda ni tamu. Acha nipike.
Mami ni soda.
Ndio nimulike.
Oh, ni kikombe ndo ni moto.
Silikuwa nimechotea maji. Maji ya ugali. Cheers. Celebration.
Na mimi.
Celebration. We are celebrating. Tumemaliza hii. Tena. Cheers. Cheers. That's enough. Unakula kidogo kidogo. Imetosha mama. Haya. Tosha hadi.
Ni pause.
Cut kabisa.